Hi guys, I am back with a new video. Today's video is very important for the next videos. In this video, I will do some refactoring, and make our editor.js component very lightweight, using React.js component and best practices. The first thing, we will move our grapesjs related code to a separate file. So let's first create a file inside src, apt_utils named geteditor_config.js. Let's create a method getEditorConfig. And export this as a default method. Now cut code from editor.js, where we have grapesjs configuration. From creating element object using jQuery, to adding commands in the editor. Copy the whole code and paste it to the method we just created. Now, we will fix this. Like moving the imports from editor.js to this file. Move grapesjs and basic blocks imports. And similarly another imports to .imports has been moved. But this is not a right import, so let's fix this. Now, this configuration required assets, so let's accept it as an arguments. Also import API_host. Also receive pageIt as argument. Now call this method in our editor.js, and pass assets and pageIt. Let's see a quick demo. Now I am going to break this setting into multiple functions. So first move some basics commands to a method. Create a method add editor command inside getEditor_utils file. Now move code and pass editor as arguments. Use that method in our configuration. Time to check everything is working fine. Time to refactor more code into a smaller part. Create a method storage setting just after our previous method. We will move storage settings here. Pass page id. Use storage setting method and pass page ID. Create scripts and styles variables to store our styles and scripts, which we have added for our third-party plugins. That's it, we have done our refactoring for our grapesjs configuration. Now it's time to break our editor.js render method into multiple component. I will separate sidebar and top bar code first. So let's create a file sidebar.js inside src components folder. I'm using RFCE to generate React functional component. Move our sidebar tab into sidebar.js file. Now use that in editor.js. Check if it works or not. Similarly, I am going to create one more file topnav.js. Move .bar code where we have our panel into this. Use it in our editor.js. All works as expected. Let's test our application. Now, I'm going to add all pages on the top of the sidebar. To do that, we first need to rename our getAllPages method to getAllAssets. Because here we are loading assets from server, not pages. I am going to copy the code from home.js to getAllPages from the server, and use it in our editor.js use effect hook. I will also create state to store pages and error. So let's do it. I'm going to create a page section component to show all the pages on the top of our grapesjs sidebar. Again, use our AFCE to generate React functional code. This will receives the pages as props. Now let's create one more component. Page detail, and this will receive the page as props. Now call page section component inside editor.js. And pass pages array in it. I'm going to copy code from my GitHub account. Where I have created the design of the pages. I will iterate over pages using map and will show all page. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.